Hey everyone, Rachel here, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to check message requests on Snapchat without being friends. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Snapchat and access settings. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Step 2. Adjust privacy controls. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Privacy Controls and tap on it. Look for the option that says Who can contact you directly with snaps or chats, and select Friends and Contacts. This ensures that only people in your friends or contacts list can send you message requests. Step 3. Navigate to Friends list. Now go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find My Friends. Tap on it to view your friends list. Step 4. Accept friend requests. If you have pending friend requests, they will appear at the top of your friends list. Tap on the request to accept it. Keep in mind that you won't be able to see the message request until you accept the friend request. Step 5. View message. Requests. Once you've accepted the friend request, navigate to the chat icon and tap on it. You'll be able to see the message request from the newly added friend. Remember, if you want to read the message without them knowing, you can swipe to the right on the message to mark it as unread. And that's it. You've now learned how to check message requests on Snapchat without being friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.